Real adventure riding isn't about the biggest engine or the flashiest features. It's about the motorcycle that feels right when the road disappears and real life begins. In 2026, we're getting a new wave of adventure bikes built for the real world. Machines designed to go anywhere, handle anything, and keep you comfortable the entire way. Today, we're counting down the top 7 adventure bikes built for real-world riding in 2026. Let's begin with number 7. KTM 390 Adventure, the 2026. KTM 390 Adventure continues to be one of the most capable lightweight adventure bikes in the world. What makes it so popular is how genuinely usable it is for everyday riders. KTM refined the chassis and suspension this year, giving the bike a more stable feel at higher speeds and a smoother response on rough terrain. The 373cc single-cylinder engine remains lively and efficient, offering enough power for highway cruising while still being extremely manageable on dirt or gravel. Riders appreciate how accessible the 390 Adventure feels. It's tall enough for good visibility, yet narrow and lightweight enough to control confidently in tight spaces. The updated traction control and off-road ABS modes make it even easier for beginners to feel comfortable on challenging surfaces. KTM also added a fresh TFT display and improved switchgear, bringing a premium touch to this affordable machine. The styling stays sharp with new color options like Rally Orange and Factory Black. Fuel economy remains excellent, and maintenance costs are surprisingly low for a KTM. What makes the 390 Adventure stand out is its ability to do everything: commute, tour, off-road, explore, and learn. It's a motorcycle built for riders who want real adventure capability without the weight or intimidation of bigger bikes. Number 6. Honda CB500X. The 2026 Honda CB500X is one of the most loved real-world adventure motorcycles, and for good reason. This bike is built around practicality, comfort, and reliability. Honda's 471cc parallel twin engine is smooth, fuel-efficient, and surprisingly capable on long rides. For 2026, Honda improved throttle response and airflow, giving the CB500X a slightly stronger mid-range for effortless highway cruising. What riders appreciate immediately is the comfort. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat make long-distance travel feel natural and relaxed. Honda also refined the suspension this year, improving damping on rough roads and giving the bike a more stable feel in corners. It's not designed for hardcore off-roading, but it handles gravel, dirt, and uneven terrain with confidence. The adventure styling is clean and modern, with fresh color options like pearl organic green and matte gunpowder black metallic. The windscreen offers solid protection, and the taller stance gives riders excellent visibility in traffic or on trails. Fuel economy is one of the bike's strongest advantages, making it a fantastic real-world touring partner. The CB500X doesn't try to be flashy or extreme. Instead, it focuses on comfort, value, and dependability. It's a motorcycle you can ride every day and still take on long weekend adventures without hesitation. Number 5. Honda NX500. The 2026 Honda NX500 earns its place as one of the best mid-weight adventure bikes for real-world riders. Honda built the NX500 on a foundation of simplicity and capability, focusing on everything riders truly need for touring, exploring, and everyday commuting. The refined 471cc twin engine delivers smooth, predictable power, while offering excellent fuel efficiency that makes long trips more affordable. What riders love right away is how balanced the NX500 feels. It has the perfect mix of lightness and stability. The upright riding posture keeps your shoulders relaxed, the seat is supportive for hours of riding, and the wide bars give great leverage on tight or twisty roads. For 2026, Honda improved suspension travel and added better damping to help absorb bigger bumps and gravel trails. Styling is more rugged this year, with a sharper front fairing and adventure-inspired colors like Terra Black and Alpine White. The updated LED lighting improves nighttime visibility, and the compact windscreen offers good protection for both city rides and open highways. One of the NX500's strongest qualities is its versatility. It performs beautifully on pavement, handles light off-road work, and remains extremely easy to ride for beginners or returning riders. It's affordable, reliable, and built for real-world adventure without overwhelming the rider. Number 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The 2026 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 has quickly become one of the most loved adventure motorcycles worldwide, and for good reason. It delivers genuine off-road capability and on-road comfort at a price that's hard to match. The new 450cc liquid-cooled engine offers smooth torque across the rev range, giving the bike enough power for mountain climbs, highway stretches, and rough back roads. What riders notice immediately is how natural the Himalayan feels. The seating position is upright and balanced. The foot pegs are placed for all-day comfort, and the suspension has been tuned to absorb rocks, potholes, and uneven terrain with confidence. Royal Enfield also improved wind protection and refined seat padding for 2026, making long-distance travel far more comfortable. The Himalayan's design remains rugged yet modern. The round LED headlamp, adventure beak, and tall stance give it a true explorer's personality. Colors like dune sand, summit blue, and slate black highlight its adventurous nature. The TFT display with ride modes, navigation assist, and improved braking system bring modern convenience to a traditionally simple machine. What makes the Himalayan 450 perfect for real-world riding is its honesty. It's not about power or speed. It's about versatility, comfort, and the confidence to go anywhere without overthinking. For many riders, this motorcycle opens the door to adventure in the purest sense. Number 3. Suzuki V-Strom 800. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 800 is a masterclass in real-world comfort and capability. Suzuki designed this bike for riders who want an adventure machine that feels just as good on the highway as it does on gravel roads. The 776cc parallel twin engine delivers smooth, linear power with excellent low-end torque, making it ideal for both long-distance touring and exploring uneven terrain. Riders immediately appreciate the V-Strom's comfort. The wide seat, upright posture, and naturally placed handlebars make it easy to ride for hours without fatigue. Suzuki improved the suspension for 2026, adding better damping to handle rough surfaces more gracefully. The bike's stability is one of its biggest advantages. It feels planted and confident even when fully loaded with luggage. The styling remains clean and recognizable, with Suzuki's signature ADV beat, bold LED lighting, and rugged color choices like Pearl Vigor Blue and Glass Sparkle Black. The windscreen offers strong protection from wind and rain, making the bike truly travel-ready. What makes the V-Strom 800 special is its versatility. It's not overly tall or intimidating, and it doesn't try to be an extreme off-road machine. Instead, it focuses on real-world riding, comfort, handling, stability, and reliability. For riders who want a dependable adventure partner for every kind of road, the V-Strom 800 is an outstanding choice in 2026. Number 2. Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. The 2026 Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro stands out as one of the most refined and capable mid-weight adventure bikes available. Triumph updated the engine tuning this year, giving the 888cc triple-engine smoother throttle response, stronger mid-range torque, and a more controlled power delivery for off-road riding. The new mapping makes the bike feel more predictable when tackling technical trails, while still delivering thrilling acceleration on pavement. The Rally Pro's ergonomics are exceptional. The seat is plush and adjustable. The wide handlebars offer excellent leverage, and the windscreen provides solid protection without blocking visibility. Triumph also improved the suspension for 2026, making the bike even more composed on rocky terrain or deep gravel. Riders often mention how balanced the Tiger feels, tall and capable, yet surprisingly easy to manage. Styling remains premium and rugged, with colors like matte khaki green and sandstorm white, highlighting its adventure-ready identity. The LED lighting, updated TFT screen, and advanced electronics suite make it a highly equipped machine for long-distance riders. What makes the Rally Pro dominate in the real world is its mix of comfort, performance, and versatility. It feels just as confident on the highway as it does on off-road trails. For riders wanting a premium adventure motorcycle ready for any challenge, the Tiger 900 Rally Pro is one of the finest choices in 2026. Number 1. BMW R1300 GS. The 2026 BMW R1300 GS is the undisputed king of real-world adventure motorcycles. BMW reduced weight, improved balance, and updated the iconic boxer engine to produce smoother, stronger torque across the rev range. The 1300cc engine delivers effortless power, making climbs, highway passes, and loaded touring feel incredibly natural and controlled. Comfort is where the GS continues to dominate. The upright riding position, plush seat, and exceptional wind protection allow riders to stay comfortable for hours. The electronically adjustable suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, whether you're on smooth pavement or rough gravel. BMW refined the aerodynamics for 2026, making the cockpit quieter and more stable at high speeds. The GS's styling blends modern technology with rugged adventure DNA. Colors like triple black, racing blue, and alpine white give the bike a premium presence. The updated headlights, advanced TFT system, and intelligent electronics suite make it feel like a true flagship machine. What truly sets the R1300 GS apart is the confidence it gives. The bike feels stable, predictable, and ready for anything, from from daily commuting to cross-country exploration. For real-world adventure riding, no motorcycle combines comfort, capability, and technology as perfectly as the 2026 BMW R1300 GS. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 adventure bikes built for real-world riding in 2026. Which one would you choose for your next adventure? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.